Good morning, Your Honor. This is Brianna Davis with the Berks County District Attorney's Office. We are here for case number JV36 of 2025 in the matter of John Lucky, date of birth March 17th, 2008. John is charged with theft by unlawful taking, felony 1, and receiving stolen property, felony 1. The case facts are that on February 25th, 2025, John Lucky was a passenger in a vehicle that was reported stolen and parked in a residential area. Police were alerted by a neighbor, responded to the scene, and detained the juveniles that were present. John reported that he was unaware the vehicle was stolen and did deny participating in any plan to steal the car. He did admit to knowing the individuals, but claimed he did not know their names and he was not driving. By way of background, the juvenile has prior court referrals, including JV3 of 2022. That was a disorderly conduct misdemeanor 3, where he successfully completed a consent decree, as well as JV82 of 2023, in which he successfully completed probation on the charges of simple assault misdemeanor 2 and resisting arrest misdemeanor 2. He is currently released in the care and custody of his parents. There are no mental health diagnoses or history of mental health treatment at this time. He is an 11th grade student who is behind in his credits. There are truancy issues, and there is an IEP that is in process. It has been initiated, but not yet completed. Regarding his substance use history, it is minimal. He did try alcohol once at the age of 16, but has not engaged in any drug use or treatment. Regarding his family dynamics and his support, he currently lives with his mother. They generally have a good relationship, though there are some issues with trust, and she has some supervision concerns. He has minimal contact with his father, and extended family contact is also limited at this time. Considering the community safety and risk considerations, John's risk level appears to be moderate. He does have a prior record, but there is no indication of violent tendencies in his offense. He did express remorse and has insight into his actions. He has also demonstrated the potential for rehabilitation. Given his support system by his mother and the lack of significant risk factors such as gang involvement or substance abuse, rehabilitation within the community remains a feasible structured oversight for him at this time. For that reason, we are recommending formal probation. We are respectfully recommending formal probation for this juvenile. Some of the services that he has utilized or that are available to him include individual and family therapy, mentoring and community-based programs, as well as anger management and behavioral support, and academic and truancy interventions. With regard to the victim, restitution may be required based on any property damage or loss to the victim or the vehicle owner who is the victim. Pending a formal claim, we do not have that information yet. There are no known emotional or physical harm to the victim that was reported at this time. Special conditions that we would recommend on behalf of this juvenile are that he attend school with satisfactory progress, participate in counseling, whether individual or family, whatever the probation department deems appropriate, complete 20 hours of community service, pay an amount of restitution to be determined by the court once that documentation and paperwork is received from the victim, participate in a mental health evaluation and comply with any recommendations therein, comply with a curfew. No electronic monitor is being recommended at this time. Have a no contact order with regard to the victim in this case, and comply with all rules of probation, in addition to attending academic counseling for credit recovery. John has demonstrated insight, remorse, and a willingness to comply with court expectations. His offense does appear to stem from poor peer choices rather than his own individual pattern of delinquency. So with the structured probation plan, as well as academic support, counseling, and monitoring, we believe that he is a strong candidate for successful rehabilitation without further system involvement. So at this time, the prosecution believes that the recommended disposition does serve the interest of justice, promotes rehabilitation, and also protects the public while addressing the individual needs of this youth. Thank you for your consideration, Your Honor.